Welcome back, everybody. Today I will offer you some more evidence of the bigger Earth. As you know, I think that the moon map is the map of the bigger Earth. Recently I came to the conclusion that the images of the shuttle are actually images of the bigger Earth. I used to think, like all flat earthers, that all NASA images were CGI, so I refused to look at them. So let's take a look at the new evidence, which are the images you are looking at right now. Nothing special, you will think. Think star constellations. Look at the strange light pattern. Now you see the camera is turning because they want to show you something. And off they go, flying around the Earth, which is hard to believe for me that it's not a ball. But for the moment that's not important, so let's turn this back and see what we can find about this star system. Because I think this star constellation is the Pleiades. Here you see various pictures of it, but none of them is exactly the same. And that is probably because it is filmed from a different angle. Let's take that as our first puzzle piece and see if there is any confirmation in the following pieces. Well, if this is Pleiades, we might take a look at the other constellations in the neighborhood of the Pleiades. So, next to the Pleiades we have Taurus. Taurus with the V shape, but only one star is visible, and that would be Aldebaran. Next to Taurus we have Orion. Well, I try to find the exact location of the stars, but maybe this picture will make it a bit clearer. A man holding a club. For the people who remember a video from the older days, where I tried to find the star pattern of Orion on the moon map, I was able to find Orion and the Pleiades. Let's relocate this cluster of craters. Go to the moon map, and there of course we have our crater Sulpicius Gallus M, which is the star Sirius. Let's move to the right to the 3 stars of Orion. Move it more north to the cluster of craters, reflected in the firmament as Pleiades. Let's start from this location and see if we can find some more evidence. Let's zoom in. Let's start with this remarkable place here. Now take a look at the shuttle map, and we can find a very strange spot here. Let's zoom in and compare. It's at a different angle, of course, but we're getting close. Let's take a look again at the shuttle images and take a look at this strange crater. Back to the moon map and go to the right from that strange spot. compare the location again. Take a close-up of the two craters, the one on the moon map and the one from the shuttle images. For people who saw my video Crater Earth and the Phantom Planets, know that this crater reflected in the dome is the Kuiper belt or the Kuiper belt. And here we go again, people. The flying ball circus. Using this music, I must be crazy. Well, I wonder who is crazy here. Zoom out again, so you have the spot, the strange spot, the Kuiper belt, and here below you have the claw form. Back to the shuttle images and zoom into this claw form and compare it. Now move to the right, looking for similarities. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of similarities, and especially the Kuiper belt. When you take a look again at these images, you realize that the reflection of this piece of land is our solar system. When you hear the word global warming, you start seeing things in different perspective.